Fishnet Bible Stories proudly presents Abram Rescues Lot. A confederacy of 5 kings ruled the land by the Dead Sea. 4 other kings made war with the 5 and tried to conquer their lands. The confederacy of 5 kings made a stand. They drew a line in the sand. They didn't want the 4 kings to conquer their land. But the 5 kings were not very brave. When they saw the 4 kings, they quickly ran away. Lot, who lived in Sodom by the Dead Sea, was captured by the 4 kings. They took all his goods and made him their slave. A man escaped and found Lot's uncle, Abram the Hebrew. He told him that the people and Lot and all his goods were captured. Abram made a war plan for Lot's rescue. Abram's men, an army of 318, were gathered. Abram and his army marched to find the prisoners and Lot. He divided his men into groups, and they attacked by night. Abram's men found the people and Lot and his goods. Lot and the people were rescued and freed from their plight. Thanks for watching. This was part 6 of Abraham and Sarah's story in our Genesis series. To keep updated, hit subscribe and check out our other Bible story videos. Have a great day. Bye.